All right, so I've got this piece still smoking a little bit. It's basically done. You can see I ran the bolts in there, pretty good bolts. And then I welded the hell out of this. I got to turn up my amperage on my 6011. And so I've got a weld there that's pretty solid. And then this is, again, that's just a piece I found off a tractor. So let's test it out here. So I'm standing on her and the whole trailer wants to buckle. It's like having the end of a spoon. It wants to pick the whole trailer up. So I think we're strong enough over here. The next thing to do is to make some kind of mounting for that there. And then that gives me a little bit of a gap. And then this whole thing will come off as well. Obviously, it's a receiver. I could put other attachments in here. I could do other things if I change my mind. And that's where we're at so far.